Want to keep your garden thriving in winter? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the wonders of winter gardening, from understanding the season's unique challenges to practical tips that will keep your garden blooming. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of winter gardening. First off, understanding the winter season is crucial to successful gardening. Winter can be a challenging time for plants with freezing temperatures and limited sunlight. This season's unique conditions require tailored care to keep your garden thriving. Now that we've got a grasp on the winter season, we can move on to some practical tips. So, how do you keep your garden flourishing even in the coldest months? Well, let's delve into some practical tips for winter gardening. First, selecting winter-hardy plants is a smart move. Plants like kale, Brussels sprouts, and winter berries are not only resilient, but also add a splash of color to your frosty garden. Next, protecting your plants from frost is crucial. Use cloches or frost blankets to shield your plants from harsh weather. Additionally, remember to maintain proper soil health. Incorporating compost into your soil in the fall can provide essential nutrients that your plants need to survive the winter. Moreover, don't forget to mulch. Mulch acts like a blanket, protecting the soil and the roots of your plants from severe cold. Lastly, keep the garden clean. Remove fallen leaves and dead plants to prevent diseases and pests. With these tips in hand, your garden can thrive all year round. A winter doesn't have to be a death sentence for your garden. Embrace the chill, understand your plants, and implement our practical tips for a thriving winter garden. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!